Hi Leo, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're most welcome as well. This is going to be the August love reading for you. So, without any delay, we are getting started right now. Let's see what has been going on in the love life of my lovely Leos, please. Wow, you're all in your energy, fiery energy. You're moving ahead towards someone or something after facing some sort of tower moment, scary situation. Yeah, but now you're realizing, yeah, you are in that phase where you are realizing, like, Wheel of Fortune is on my side. All right, you're slowly gaining that insight that, yes, things are not bad, that much, horrible after all, as I was imagining it to be. This tower was actually in my head, is what you're feeling, and you are re energized and you're moving ahead, you're moving on from someone. Okay, and you can some of you are seeing some sort of synchronicity. Some of you are, yeah, seeing repetitive numbers. Epiphany is happening to you, and you are finally feeling the presence of angels around you. Something good has actually started happening in your life, or maybe a series of good events is what I'm hearing, and you are finally starting to be hopeful again. Wow, Leo, you're in fantastic energy. Wow. Okay, so you have someone in your mind. Let us ask how this person is feeling towards you. This tower moment has been given to you in your love life by certain someone. So let us ask, how's this individual feeling right now towards you? How's this person in your mind feeling towards you right now? You're walking away. You are basically moving on. You're not even like thinking about this person right now. So even if this person comes back with that sense of commitment, you might not be all there as you were before, but clearly there's someone who's wanting to reach out to you, and this time around they are wanting to come off as someone matured, someone who's kind of ready for commitment. Yeah, this time around, if this certain someone comes back in your life, then definitely they would want to be, all about commitment, because that was something which they didn't give you in the past. And yeah, they're having to resort to the mutual friends. For some of you, if you have mutual friends, if you work at the same place, then this person is wanting to take some help from the colleagues. This person is doing something, or maybe this person is talking about you with his or her near and dear ones, like family, friends, relatives. But I'm sensing mutual friends. Okay, this person, ooh, I'm hearing this person is wanting to meet you in a group setting. Group setting is what I heard. Okay. So, yeah, for some of you, this could be workplace situation pretty much. There was that spark, that situation went on for a very long time, but then you felt like, it's becoming toxic for me. This stagnant situation that I'm in is toxic for me. I cannot, hold on anymore. So I have to move on. And then you started focusing upon yourself. All right, after having that down moment, but now you're fit and fine. You feel like, I'm able to control my emotions. I'm moving ahead, and I'm sensing that, this time around luck is by my side. I'm able to manifest so many things. So basically, you have almost forgotten about this person. So this is about that individual who was there, and this person was pretty much in your mind previously, but now no longer. Okay, but this individual is wanting to come back. It could be Taurus or Virgo or Capricorn as well. It could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Scorpio. Yeah. Wow, what else about this person? This person is missing you. Look at this. I'm sensing this, someone wanting to come back with commitment, with the offer of commitment, but then someone so scared that they are having to take help from, friends. They are having to resort to the group setting because they cannot ask you out to go with them on a date or something. They have no guts. They miss you a lot. This person could be your boss for many of you. That is the strong sense that I'm getting. Even if not, then this is someone who's accomplished. Now if you're thinking, I had situationship with a couple of them, who's this? It is this individual, someone who's a bit mature than you, age wise as well, or maybe just attitude wise. But someone whom when you dealt with, you felt like, wow, this person is really matured, this person is dependable in that sense. So it is about that person, and it is about this person who is, financially accomplished, someone who's holding a prominent position, someone who has already reached that height of career where they have money as well as, power and name and fame. Okay, someone who's in the leadership position. This person is right now, this person feels like there's so much of confusion around him or her, and they don't know how to think. They want to come back, but then they know the destination, they don't know the way, basically. Okay, because they know that you're holding on. I got that card, Four of Cups over here. They know that you are, no longer going to be there when they reach out. They know that now you both are no longer in the at the same page. Ooh, what is going to be this person's move in the near future? What is going to be this person's move in the near future, please? What is going to be this person's move in the near future? Let's see. Wow, Ten of Pentacles, offer of abundance. Ooh, yeah. This person will give you certain options, is the sense that I'm getting. I don't know, I'm getting strong sense that it is a workless situation for many of you. And it seems like this person is going to, when they come, they are going to give you options. They'll be like, this is not like typical card of, options in this reading, like, you have so many options in love or something like that. No, when this person comes back to you, this person will offer you multitude of things. Okay, this person will be like, okay, what is it that you prefer? If you want us only to be friends as of now, I'm okay for that. Another option, if you want us to, rekindle, if you want our connection to take off, then let us do that. Let us become each other's boyfriend and girlfriend. I'm okay for that. Next option, if you want, we can really, take it one step further. If you want, I have a ring ready for you. We can get engaged. We can go and meet our families. Next options, if you want, then I'm ready even for marriage, because I know that you are the ultimate, you know, happiness for me. You are my Ten of Pentacles. I view you like a highly accomplished person, someone who's quite mesmerizing, someone who's independent, someone who is, very headstrong, someone who's confident, someone who's taking care of yourself. Yeah, and being around you means assurance. Being around you means bliss. Being around you means happiness. So yeah, whatever you say, whatever you like, we can take it ahead in the way that you prefer. Wow. Yeah, someone is clearly thinking of coming back to you. This person has not yet taken that first step, definitely. That is why you cannot see it coming, but then yeah, it is happening in the near future. Someone is giving it a thought, and it will manifest in the form of action in the near future. So yeah, this is the reading for you. It might happen in the month of August. Leo, I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Until the time I meet you again, I love you so much.